In our example, we'll be connecting one of the most popular remote controllers, the Radiomaster TX12. First, make sure the antenna is connected to the remote, otherwise it may malfunction when turning on the device. Only after ensuring this is done you can turn it on. The controller has various buttons. Their placement may vary slightly depending on the remote model. However, the controls are generally the same. The controller has left and right sticks for controlling the drone. These are used for movement during flight. Programmable toggle switches are also available. There are also control buttons and a roller for navigating the menu. It also functions as a button. The power button is located in the center of the TX12 controller. On the top of the remote is a USB Type-C port for connecting to a computer. The Type-C port, located under the battery compartment cover, is used for charging. Press and hold the power button until you hear a sound signal. The left throttle stick should be down and all toggle switches should be off. They should be facing away from you. The button should be light green. After powering on, the controller's screen will display the name of the selected model. By default, the new remote will display TX12. It's recommended to create a separate model for use with the simulator. To create a model, press the MDL button. Scroll the control wheel to move it to an available slot. Press the wheel and select Create Model to create a new model. Press the Page button to move to the next page. Press the wheel to select the item you want to change. The first item allows you to name the created model. In this case, it will be Simulator. Press the Return button to return to the menu. Press the Page button to move through the menu pages. Next, navigate to page 6, titled Mixes. On this page, you need to move the throttle value from channel 3 to channel 5. To do this, use the wheel to select channel 3. Hold the wheel down. A menu will open. Select Move. Move it to channel 5. Press the wheel to save the value. This should result in the following channel order. If it's different on your remote, move the other channels in the same way. Using a USB Type-C cable, connect the remote control to your computer. You must not have any simulator missions running on your computer. Otherwise, the controller will not be detected by the Q Ground Control software. When connecting the controller via USB, the hardware screen will display a connection mode selection. Use the roller to select the USB joystick and press the roller. For easier control, you can map the A and D buttons on the remote control to virtual buttons in the Q Ground Control app. These buttons can be assigned, for example, to ARM engines and switch to various flight modes, such as acrobatic flight. This will allow you to press the button on the remote control to enter ARM mode, and press the D button to switch to acro flight mode. To set up this configuration, you need to add the A and D buttons to the Mixes menu on channels 9 and 10. To do this, open the Model Set menu by pressing the MDL button. Open the Mixes page menu by using the page buttons. Go to channel 9 by scrolling the control wheel to the desired position and pressing it. Go to the Source menu item. Using the control wheel, select the SAW value. Press the wheel to save this value. Press the Return button twice. And repeat the same steps for channel 10. Select the SD value. Your channels 9 and 10 should now look like this.